Send your eyes go, a teacher will share the result of last exam. Good morning, students. How are you today? Well, miss. Okay, students. Today I will share the result of last exam. Oh, miss, we are ready.
I'm sure that I will get the biggest score.
Already, we will know after I share this paper. I'm so nervous. And Novi, please come forward and share this paper to your friend. Well, students, now we know who get the perfect score. And congratulations for Luffy. Give applause. And who get the low score is Devida. Devida, please study harder, okay? Yes, miss. Okay, students, that's all for today. See you next time. Yes, miss. See you.
Hey, let's go to the canteen.
I will take you some food.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, Luffy, how can in every test you always get the biggest score? You always get the perfect media before lesson. Oh no, I just study hard. Hey, how can in every test you always get a small score? I'm stupid, but that is a question we can't answer. Hey, what are you doing? Don't disturb her. I'm sure behind this, she must have other skills that you don't have. Luffy, please do not interfere, okay? Look, let's go to the canteen. Finally, they go to the canteen. Leave Devita alone. After 4 hours and Jessica come home alone, followed by Elsa, Nadal, Lizzie, and Lisna. Can you walk well? Just a little much more. How really need you. Hey, don't be dead. She is also our friend. Stop, love. Why you have her? Anyways, sorry, we don't have friend who always get the score in a test like her. Oh yeah. How we watch a movie? Okay, good idea. She approached her parents. Her parents also see the result of the little test, which is not satisfying.
What is it?
What? You just got 20? I'm sorry, Mom. I promise I will be better than now.
Okay, I will give you one last chance. If you get that far again, I will move your study, understand?
Yes, Dad. Sorry, Dad. Quickly check your uniform and study in your room.
Oh,
class star.
I haven't had breakfast yet, so I'm really hungry. Would you like to go to canteen with me?
Okay, I'm also still hungry. Let's go.
Hey, where will you go?
Yeah, I'm going to canteen.
Can I join?
Okay.
Ruth, would you like to join with us? No, sorry. I want to go to office, Miss Rita. Just call me to tell something. Oh, okay. Bye. Sir, where's Rita? I don't know. But why do you ask her? I just had an idea. What idea? How if we give surprise for her? Surprise? I don't understand. What do you mean? Wow, what a good idea. It's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for my headphone. Guys, what's going on? I lost my headphone. Oh my god, what's that? I don't know.
Hey, DJ, sit.
Miss, it's not lost her headphone. Oh my god, how it can be? I don't know, miss. I'm sure. I put it here. But after I called, it has lost. Miss, how if you check it's off our bed? Isn't that? What is it? It's not me, miss. It's not me. I don't know how it is in my bed. Hala, where is the thief who confess? Miss, how if we see the CCTV footage to know who the relative? Okay, that's a good idea. If there is no who won't confess, I agree, guys. Yes. Honestly, we were disgusted with that statement. Oh my god, what do you eat today, Tita? Actually, it is for a joke, miss. No is not as beautiful as your voice. But it's then, people don't love me. They hate me, even my parents always angry when I would miss home. They always pressure me to do what they want, without knowing what I want. No, you are wrong. You can't do that. One day they will love you, but it's just you have to love yourself first, and then people can love you too. How people will love you? Well, you have yourself. And about your parents, you don't have to convince them that you can nice and can be useful human being. So, what should I do first? First, you have to love yourself, love your shortcomings, and slowly change your mindset about a cruel word into a beautiful word. Thank you for giving me full advice in my life. You are my best friend. Quietly, Lucy, Elsa, and Natalia had a conversation, and they come to Lucy and Jessica.
All that someone forced you away.
Baby girl, I'm sorry what I did to you. I'm sorry. Baby, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry to Rita. Would you like to forgive us? Yes, of course. Why not? So we can be best friends. Okay, let's be best friends, guys. Finally, they be best friends and try to understand each other.
Hey guys, what's going on?
I want to say something.